If the app's shortcut icon is missing in Google Chrome, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bring it back in just a few simple steps. This is a quick fix for anyone who used to see the app's shortcut on the Bookmarks bar and suddenly noticed it disappeared after a Chrome update or a settings change. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. The app's shortcut used to appear on the Bookmarks bar in older versions of Chrome, so if you can't see it now, the first thing we want to check is whether the Bookmarks bar is actually turned on. To do that, press Ctrl Shift and B on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to toggle the Bookmarks bar on or off. If the bar was hidden, this shortcut should bring it back immediately. Once it appears, take a look across the bar and see if the app's shortcut is visible again. If it still doesn't show up, the next thing to do is check your bookmark settings manually. Right-click anywhere on the Bookmarks bar and look for the option that says Show Bookmarks Bar. Make sure it is enabled. If it isn't checked, click it once to turn it on. In many cases, the app's icon comes back automatically as soon as the Bookmarks bar is visible again. Now, if the shortcut is still missing, don't worry. We can open the Chrome apps page directly. Click inside the address bar at the top of Chrome and type chrome://apps, then press enter. This will take you straight to the apps page inside Chrome. Even if the shortcut is gone from the bar, this page still lets you access Chrome apps manually. Once you're on the apps page, you can create a shortcut for easier access. Click the star icon or choose bookmark this page, depending on your version of Chrome. This adds the page to your bookmarks so you can keep it handy. After that, you can place it back on the Bookmarks bar if you want quick access, just like before. If you don't see the bookmark immediately, you may need to keep the Bookmarks bar visible and organize your bookmarks so the app's shortcut appears where you want it. You can also drag the new bookmark onto the Bookmarks bar for a cleaner setup. That way, you'll have the apps page available with just one click. So to quickly recap, if the app shortcut icon is missing in Google Chrome, first turn on the Bookmarks bar using Ctrl, Shift, and B. Then check your Bookmarks bar settings, open chrome://apps directly, and create a bookmark for the apps page if needed. These simple steps usually solve the problem right away. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more fast Google Chrome fixes, computer tips, and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.